Today, Governor Hochul and the New York State Legislature adopted a budget for fiscal year 2026. It's a maxim that a budget is a statement of values, and the budget approved today shows what New York values: a commitment to fighting child poverty and supporting families who are struggling through a generational affordability crisis, where the costs of basic needs like food, childcare, and housing are overwhelming New Yorkers. We're one of the richest states in the country, but New York ranks 40th in child poverty. A few years ago, New York State passed the Child Poverty Reduction Act, committing us to reduce child poverty in the state by half by 2032. Today, Governor Hochul and the legislature take decisive steps to move us along that path. Through just one policy, a significant expansion of the Empire State Child Tax Credit proposed by Governor Hochul, New York will move as many as 50,000 children above the poverty line. The benefit for children under 4 has been more than tripled to $1,000 per child, and the benefit for older children has been raised from $330 to $500. In addition, more than 187,000 children who had previously been denied access to the benefit because their families didn't have enough income to qualify will now receive the full benefits of this poverty-fighting policy. The expansion of the child tax credit alone will move 5 times as many children out of poverty as the current child credit. In further support to families, the budget establishes a $50 million statewide pilot housing voucher program that will help thousands of households avoid homelessness by giving them a hand in paying their rent. New York City is in the midst of a historic affordable housing crisis, and this voucher program is an important first step in what we hope will be a larger investment in combating housing instability in the years ahead. While I am encouraged by these important commitments in the Empire State, I am under no illusions about the challenges ahead. Cuts to vital federal programs, such as Medicaid and SNAP, that keep nearly 1 million New Yorkers out of poverty are on the table for deep cuts in Washington. 1 in 2 New Yorkers rely on Medicaid for their health insurance, while food stamps help put food on the table for 20% of city residents. We risk reversing decades of hard-won progress to the detriment of those living in poverty and low-income children who will suffer the most. While the federal government is threatening to step away from supporting New Yorkers, I applaud New York State and its leaders for stepping up. Let's continue to work towards building a state that works for all New Yorkers, especially the next generation, and where the American dream can finally become the American reality.